everyone, welcome to my first ever YouTube channel. There is this place near my house that I wanted to explore and give you guys a tour to. This is called a DIY store if you've ever heard about it. This place is pretty close to where I live, it's pretty close to my house. Let me show you guys. This is the place I'm at. This is it. It is called the Hypercity Mall if you've ever heard about it. I'm feeling that people living in Thane might already be very familiar with it because it's pretty famous here. And guys, there is literally almost no one around here. Maybe because it's a weekday. There it is. There is the store that I'm gonna show you guys. That's the store. Before we start recording in the store, we'll have to take permission from them, and then we can explore the store together. I just entered the store and it is huge. It is huger than I thought it would be. It's got so many things, but I'm not gonna show you anything right now because they said I need some permission before I can shoot a video. So yep, they're gonna get permission from their higher authorities and till that time I can't shoot anything, but after that I'm gonna show you the whole store. Especially I wanted to show you the cosmetics section. So let's see if we get permission. I hope we get permission because this store is so huge. I'm excited to see around here. And yep, let's stop recording for now before they come and throw me out of the store. Guys, we got the permission. It did take 15 minutes, but we got it. I came to the other end of the store. I want to show you from the start, and this place is huge. You're gonna love it. So, I'm gonna start from here and give you a quick tour. So guys, this is the Bartanwala section, and this is where, they place all the utensils and the cookers and, all the cooking things, all the ladles, all the spoons, forks. So these people have got a huge variety of ladles and utensils too, big, small, everything. Like I'm showing you right now, they also have got the bakery stuff there. They've got the cake molds. They've got those little cupcake makers also. So guys, this store has got a whole different set of things. Like these are not things that you would normally find in any store. Either in some stores you would find only steel or only glass or only plastic, but this store has got it all. It's like a one-stop thing for all of them. Now the thing that I'm showing you is a multi-purpose mug, and then they've got these bins that you would place near your study, and it's got a whole section. The one that I'm showing you right now, it's got a whole section that has only these serving dishes, the plates. They're not exactly glass, but then they are very durable. They look very, very durable, and they are at a very reasonable price too. We're in the school section. This section has got everything that a student could ever want. On the right side, you can see a lot of school bags, these lunch bags, and the tiny pencil boxes, the pouches. They've got a large variety of things there. And on the left side, what I'm showing you right now is the car accessory stuff. They've got steering wheel covers, they've got car seat organizers, they've even got the stickers that you would stick on the side of a car, and they've got the cup holder too that most of the people use in their cars.
So then, why?
Guys, I've explored half the store here. The employees are having a little fun on the other side. So guys, as I was saying, I've explored half the store till now, and they've got everything that you could ever want. And there's nothing that they don't have. They've got everything. You want earphones? They have it. You want notebooks? They have it. You want multi-purpose cups? They have it. You want utensils? You want ladles? You want spoons, forks? They have it. You want aux cables? They have it. I just came to the stationery section and you have to see this. You have to. You know guys, the variety of items available here makes me want to buy just a whole store. You know, these name tags, these pens, these pencils, and here is the thing that I wanted to show you. This is a very tiny calculator. They've got it in this rectangular shape, and also the one that I'm going to show you next. It also comes in an oval shape. So you know, these work really well. I've checked them out, as you can see, and you know, not giving you any ideas, but you know, you could fit these calculators into your pouch, which you may or may not carry for your exam. Not giving you any ideas though. Guys, we're at the last section of the store, and this is the party and the cosmetics section. You get amazing stuff here. I'm just looking at it, and you know, you've got stuff here like, you know, the cloth that you see behind me right now. You can record videos here, like just like I am right now. So let's go check out this last section of the store. So this is the last section of the store, that is the party and cosmetics. So this section has got everything that you would ever need for hosting a party. Like these bags that I'm showing you right now, you could give goodies in these to people who attend the parties. Or if you want wall decorations, they've got you covered. And they've got a huge variety of things to choose from. Till now, the store that I've explored, this store has been very resourceful. It's got everything. It's a one-stop thing for all the things that you could want, and you know, the prices here are also very, very reasonable. At so many times while I was exploring the store, I felt like I could buy this whole store. You know, this huge variety of things to choose from. This is the cosmetic section that I'm showing you right now. It's got these sponges, it's got these makeup brushes, it's got the fake eyelashes, it's got nail care, it's got everything. It's got the manicure tools also, and also, you know, this store has literally everything. You name it and they have it. They've got phone cases too. They've got, you know, the birthday wishes cards too, the best wishes cards that you would get in any store. And the customer service here in this store is just amazing. They are really helpful people. I would definitely recommend you all to check out the store at least once. And this is me going back to my home. It took me a total of 45 minutes to explore the store, and I am very glad that I went here. I would very well go again to this store. And yep, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day ahead. See you in my next video. Bye.